All right, we're here today with Jay, and Jay's about to start his treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Jay, tell me, what brought you into the office?
Can't walk, it hurts too much.
In both of your knees, correct?
Both knees, lower back.
Okay. So, have you tried anything else to try to alleviate the pain? Have you gone to any doctors?
Been to a couple different chiropractors, been taking pain pills, had knee injections, had the chicken juice put in my knees. Basically anything I could do.
And nothing's working for you?
Nothing.
Does it give you a little bit of temporary relief?
The chicken juice gave me a temporary relief.
Okay.
The steroid, the first time I had steroids put in, it gave me temporary relief, but that was it.
Okay. So what is a typical day like for you? Like, I know your pain level is at a 10 plus plus. So what is an average day like for you?
I try not to do much of anything. And obviously I still work. So, getting through a full day is sometimes pretty darn tough.
Pretty challenging just to get through the day.
Yep.
Okay. And I know you and I had discussed earlier about you really have to think about when you're going to walk.
Got to think about when I go from sitting to standing, and I got to really think about and concentrate on walking, and then of course, stairs are almost out of the question.
Right. Okay.
So.
All right. Well, we're going to attempt it. If you can't do the stairs, we can always do that. We can always
do it with holding onto the railing.
Good. Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you do a couple things for me, and we're just going to see, and I want you to concentrate on where you're feeling the pain. Like when you go from sitting to standing, if you're feeling it in your back, you're feeling it in your knee, you're feeling it wherever. So just think about the movement that you're doing and where the pain is. Okay? So I'm going to have you stand up for me. Okay. Where'd you feel that at, Jay?
In the front of the knees.
Okay. What about your back? Was your back okay?
Yeah, well, that's what you see. I'm
trying to stand back up.
Stand up straight, yeah.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to have you just put your feet shoulder length apart, arms out in front, and just attempt to squat down, because I want you to see where it's hurting. There you go.
And that's about it.
Okay. And where did you feel that?
Here.
Okay. Like in your thigh part?
In upper thigh and into the knee.
Okay. All right. Good. All right. Now let's try the stairs, Jay. I want you to take your time. Hold on to that railing. Because how you maneuver gives the doctor a good idea on where we're going to start first. Okay. Back up, Jay. Sorry. All right, Jay. So, would you say it was more difficult and painful going up the stairs, or was it more painful coming down the stairs?
Probably going up.
Up the stairs was a little bit more painful, and it was when you were putting your weight on that step, and you're transitioning to the next step.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, I'm ready to get started. Are you?
Ready.
Let's do it.
Traction this leg. Take a nice deep breath and pull your knee up. Go for it. 1, 2, keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straighten it out. Deep breath and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull the knee. Concentrate knee. High step. High step. Good. Back down. Nice deep breath. Pull that knee up. Get it up there, Jay. All the way, all the way, all the way. That's better. One more here. Deep breath. and pull. 1, 2, all the way up, all the way. 5, 6, 7. Good.
Wow, that went up a lot farther.
Yeah.
Almost wasn't a balance.
Okay, traction. Deep breath. Pull your knee up. Pull it up. Up, up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. Nice deep breath. And up. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Pull it up there. Pull it up, 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 pull it up. Yes. Okay, 2 more there. Deep breath. Traction and pull. Go up. 1, 2, 3. Pull, 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 pull. Good. Deep breath. And up. 1, 2, 3. All the way, all the way. Keep going. Good.
Cut.
Take a deep breath. Press your heel down.
There
Keep
we
your
go.
legs straight. There you go. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Deep breath.
Whoa.
Press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Good job.
These
Deep
hamstrings
breath.
are fantastic.
And press down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. And just hold it there, Jay. Good. Good job.
Wow.
That's great. Got that blanket quite easily. Okay, let it down slow.
Should I stop it?
Yeah.
Good stop. Good. Around, she's going to film you walking down the hall. I want to look at how your gait's moving and then walk up and down.
Dun,
the stairs.
dun, dun.
My gates is that like
Your gait?
is that like code?
That was much
How your
easier,
gait's
huh?
moving with your
That was way easier.
And I'm just gonna have you walk down the end of the hall for me and back.
Good. And
Those knees are really bending. How's it feel, Jay?
Way better.
Rock and roll. Yes, sir.
Way better.
You're walking much faster, that's for sure. All right, we're back with Jay, and Jay's finished his first treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Jay, can you stand up for me?
I can stand up
How was that?
a million times better than it was an hour ago.
It seemed like you were smoother. I mean, you didn't hesitate or anything. You just stood up.
Yep.
All right. So now I'm gonna have you put your arms out in front. We're gonna squat down. We're gonna see how that did. Yep. Couple steps forward. There you go, Jay. How low can you go? Whoa.
Whoa.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, I think you even surprised yourself.
That's improved.
Pretty good, yeah.
All right, let's try the stairs.
Should I just jump?
No, don't do that.
We don't want to push it too much. Definitely seemed easier.
Much.
Okay. Both easier, up and down?
Yep.
Perfect.
Yep.
What about, is walking is easier?
So,
Yes.
so you were at a 10 plus when we started. Where are we at now, Jay?
Probably, you know, it's hard to say because I haven't felt anything but a 10 for so long.
Right.
I'm gonna say probably like a 4, maybe a 3 even.
That's great.
Okay.
That is awesome. That is awesome. So what would you tell other people who are going through the same thing as you? What would you tell them to invite them to come in?
Listen, I lived with this for a long, long time, and by chance, I saw a video on Facebook. figured I'd spend the 60 bucks, come in, took a chance on it because you know what? I tried everything else and nothing worked. So far, so good. First visit, I feel a million times better.
Oh, I'm so happy for you, Jay. So happy. Welcome aboard.
Okay.